Once again, UFOs and aliens are gas.
More than a nod to the future of the monarchy.
Now wait. Now this old ass women, all these old ass women up on this panel except for them on the right. Yeah, outside enjoying the skyscrapers, the jets with the red, white, and blue. Now, honestly and truthfully, I don't know when it was cool, for a woman to be in a, I guess, hierarchy. They do have kings and queens, but with kings and queens, there come slaves, right? There come jokers and also, right? Jacks. You get where this is going? So it's not just the United States of America, right? It's the whole entire planet. Everywhere COVID filled, when Bob Lazar, whatever his name is, when Bob was responsible for the blue corona discharge engulfing into the air. As we know, COVID-19, the pneumonia, are in each and every animal that is alive. Now I'm sitting up here all scared and shit, looking at this. Look at that jump. Alright? So I just want people to understand that there's a light spirit and a dark spirit. You can call it a ghost and a demon, or you can call it, Casper and, the poltergeist, whatever you want to call it. The thing that they have in common is they both can kill you. So an angel can take your soul to the heavenly earth above, the heavens. There's an earth up there. There's a planet up there that you live in. And then there's a planet beneath the planet, which is a pit in the ground. The definition of HE double hockey sticks is a pit in the ground. So yes, when you put your family members in a coffin, in a box, and you put them in the ground, you actually put them in hell. That is the original definition of hell. What we have here, like I said, aliens and UFOs are gas, is a censorship of the earth. Now this gas is created, right, to keep the earth spinning because it rotates. If you notice, flesh, bones, and blood, meat and muscles, they don't deteriorate and disintegrate like when you see a UFO crash. Because meat and flesh decompose, people. There comes the vermin, the maggots. There comes the flies, which is a sort of devil. It's called Beelzebub. Right? It's the devil. It's a beast. You forget that a beast is an animal. A beast is a bug. A beast is a bird. It's a beast. They get their way. They don't need air conditioning. They don't need a heater. This is their temperament. Planet Earth, the temperature is perfect in all degrees. Now, when you see these unidentified flying objects, it's because its elements combust and condensed in one. And it comes to sanction and censor the functionality of Earth. That's why there's no decomposing or decomposition. it deteriorates. You understand that? There's no flesh being ate by maggots when a UFO crashes. These things are real. It's like a dreidel. You make the dreidel out of clay, it hardens up because of the air, and then it spins. So when they find these UFOs and they're broken and they weigh about 2 pounds, you can lift them up, it starts to make sense. Had a UFO been a ton, it doesn't even weigh as much as a car. Nowhere near a car. It doesn't weigh as much as a TV. It could be so big and light at the same time that it's unbelievable. However, when these things crash and they break and they go to where they have to go, they deteriorate and disintegrate. They don't decompose. Are you getting that? So we have colored smoke polluting the skies of Earth coming out of these fire jets, these Jubilees. If you watch X-Men, you remember Jubilee was the youngest X-Men. Everything she touched, she killed. She drains your power. Drains your power. She can touch you and take your power from you. Now look at the reaction of what's going on.
So guys, this is what I know about the footage. It was live streamed on June the 2nd, 2022 over Buckingham Palace during the Platinum Jubilee show with the Queen and the royal family of Britain.
Do you see how fast it is?
You can see.
Right? Now look at it. There's not a person living in this unidentified object. There's not a person in there. It's gas. Normal gas from the earth that has to come out and fix the earth when us humans pollute the earth. You understand that? They have red, white, and blue smoke coming out Jubilee fly past jets. We're already complaining about trucks, trains, and all type of vehicles. So now here comes the censorship of Mother Earth. It's a gas. It's faster than the plane. It's faster than the jet. It's faster than the train. It's faster than the car. It's almost faster than the speed of light. And it's light. As you can see, it's all white. Like a cloud. It looks like a cloud was possessed and screeched over the heavenly skies. Now, where is it going? Where did it go? Where did it land? Where was its destination? You starting to get this? That these things are gas? Those big ships and those rotating shuttles, they're gas. Hard gas. Gas that was made into a hard solid. See, you ain't pay attention to chemistry, biology. You didn't pay attention to science at all. Had you paid attention, you would have realized that the earth is rotating and these things that pop up that people can't explain are just fractions of energy. That's it. It's energy in the middle of it. It's energy around it. It's just energy. You can finally see the energy. When you drink and the next day you're hungover because the alcohol done turned into sugar and everything done rushed to your head, right? Energy. It's a different type of energy.
This glowing object flying with an incredible fast speed.
Look how fast that shit is.
And used filters to see it more clearly.
Now the universe is parallel and there's a such thing as gravity. So obviously this thing is being pulled to a certain destination. It's like a puzzle piece. You have to build the outside borders first, right? And then you fill in the puzzle. So this piece of Mother Earth's puzzle is going to a prime destination. It's going where it needs to go. It's not going to your baby mother house. It's not going to your auntie's house. It's not going anywhere but going to work. It's a hospital. That's what it is. It's a flying hospital. It's an ambulance. That's what a UFO is. A UFO is an ambulance. Bye.